it's me, welcome back. So today we have a new box full of 5 mystery animals. I don't know what it is. I'm really excited to get it. Let's get into it.
Well, actually, 3 mystery animals from Squishable, and 2 we ordered because last week or 2 weeks ago, Squishable.com was running a dart promotion on their website where they would throw darts at random animals or pictures of the animals, and you would get half off of those. So we grabbed onto it real quick on the first day, and we picked up the baby fox and the camel, but then I ordered 3 mystery ones to go with it. So let's go ahead and get in and see what we've got. As you can see, we already have a lot of Squishables here. Alright, one at a time. Oh, it's ready. Flowing. And the first one is the baby fox, who will go along with our regular fox. I can't get him out. You see a hole? So here is our baby fox. And he's got little pink cheek things. You see that? You're just going to hold on to it, huh? Next, because I know what this is our little camel. And considering I love stuff from the Middle East, had to get the camel. He's got 2 humps, and he looks so happy. What do you got? I have no idea what that is. Oh my goodness. We used to play this game when you were a lot littler. So there was a video game, Katamari. Yeah, I couldn't remember. There's another word that goes with it. But it's this little ball that you roll around on the screen and you pick up stuff, and the ball gets bigger and bigger and bigger. I might take this one to work with me. What do you think? No? So quiet. Here, you do this one. What do you got?
A penguin.
You got a penguin. Whoa, I just got shocked. Did you hear that? He's so fluffy. Okay, here, let you guys see that. So we got a little penguin to go with our Katamari and our baby fox, and that's a light blue. I don't know yet. Is that a narwhal? Is it a unicorn? You're gonna say it's a Squishable. Where's the bag? Give me the bag. Does the bag say anything? No. I'm gonna cheat. I know what it is. Take a guess. Yes, it's the thing in the picture. But what is it? It's a little narwhal. Alright, so let's let you guys see the narwhal. His eyes are a little covered up because he has so much fur. But that is what we got. And now the box is empty. Yeah, we got 5. Baby fox was the biggest one, and that's the baby. Okay, what are you doing?
So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Try to and some let's do guys go dark, but don't stop. Bye.
Bye.